Da 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 da. Oh, hello neighbor. It's good to see you today. It's a very special day. It's the day before Christmas Eve. So it's the Christmas season. I like Christmas. Do you like Christmas? Since it is Christmas and it's the season of giving gifts, I thought I would give you a gift today. I thought I would press reset with you and take you through a whole routine so that you can feel amazing this Christmas season. Would you like to press reset with me? Come on, neighbor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lie down on the floor and relax. So lie down with me. Just bend your knees or get comfortable. And all we're going to do is try to fill our belly with air. So imagine that you're trying to pull air down into your pelvis. And we want to keep our lips shut, breathe in and out through our nose, and put our tongues on the roof of our mouth. And as you exhale, try to relax your body completely. With every exhalation, see if you can melt down into the floor. Just relax your belly. Let your diaphragm push it upward and outward. We're just filling our lungs up from the bottom to the top. Search your body for any excess tension you might be holding. And if you find it, just let it go. You can literally breathe your cares away. All right, so now we're going to gently roll over to our bellies. And you can prop yourself up. And if you need to, you just extend your arms out from away from you if the angle is too much on your spine. And from here, we're going to raise our head up and down, using our eyes to lead the head motion. Keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. I've lost my microphone, so I am doing this voiceover in this section for you. Eyes go up, head goes up, eyes go down, head goes down. Literally, you can hear my stomach digesting. It's embarrassing. So I'm doing the voiceover. Okay, so now we're going to look left and right, and you want to try to find your feet if you can. So eyes lead the motion, let the head follow, let the spine follow the head. Eyes, head, body. Eyes, head, body. Okay, so now we're going to do the elbow roll, and this feels amazing, so you're welcome. So all you're going to do is you're going to look at your left elbow and try to watch it touch the floor behind you. If it touches, great. If it doesn't touch, great. Just move where you can move. And now you're going to look at your right elbow and try to watch it touch the floor behind you. Keep your legs as relaxed as possible. Your leg will draw up, but that's a good reflex. So allow that to happen. This feels amazing. I said you're welcome. Alright guys, now we're going to flip over to our backs, and I'm going to discover that I lost my microphone. And we're going to do windshield wipers. Let's put our head and eyes into this too. Eyes left, head left, legs left. Eyes right, head right, legs right. And if you just want to keep your head still and look at the ceiling, also good. All right, gently sit up. Now we're going to do the rocking chair. So we're going to take our eyes up and our head up, rock back, rock up, rock back, rock up. All right, let's flip on over to our hands and knees. And now, we're going to rock back and forth. So let's keep our eyes and head on the horizon. And gently rock back and forth. Keep your chest tall and your head up. I'm going to face you just so I can make eye contact with you. I like to look at my neighbors. All right, friends, now we're going to stick one leg out. Let's take your left leg. Put it out beside you. Oh yeah, here's the good stuff right here. You're welcome. Let's bring that leg back and put the other leg out. Gently rocking back and forth. I'm going to bring that back. And now we're going to rock in circles. So imagine that your belly button is holding a Sharpie magic marker, and we're going to draw big circles with that Sharpie. And now we're going to go the other direction. All right. So from here, we're going to stand up and do cross crawl touches. You can touch hand to knee, forearm to thigh. You can touch elbow to knee. Whatever you have the range of motion is good. Now I'm going to give you a bonus because it's Christmas and I love giving gifts. Don't you like getting gifts and giving gifts too? We're going to do Superman. So, opposite arm and leg, we're going to reach to the sky and pull the other hand down like Superman. Reach, reach. These feel fantastic. And if you want to put a little curve into it, stretch your sides. Feels amazing. And the last thing, let's draw infinity circles. Follow, trace the infinity symbol with your hands and follow it with your eyes and your head. And if you want to put big motions into it, go for it, but just have the balance to do so. And make sure if you fall, you're in a safe place to fall. Don't fall. And go the other way. And that's it, friends. A quick follow along, pressing reset routine that you can do to have a good day, a good holiday season. And hopefully, if you did that with me, you feel alive. And it's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's a very good feeling to know you're alive. Da 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 da. All right, friends. Have a very Merry Christmas and or Happy Holiday Season. We'll see you soon.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.